In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Twilio phone number. If you're diving into the intricacies of Twilio, you're probably well aware that having a dedicated phone number is an essential part of utilizing its communication capabilities, whether for messaging, voice, or other purposes. So let's walk through the process step by step to get you all set up with your very own Twilio phone number. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Twilio console. Open your web browser and head over to Twilio's website. Once you're there, you should see the option to log in at the top right corner. Click on it and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one by following the easy sign-up process. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, the central hub where you can manage all things Twilio. Now, direct your attention to the left sidebar. This sidebar is where magic happens, but if you don't immediately see a list of options, don't worry. It simply means the menu is collapsed. You'll know it's collapsed if you see just a circle with 3 horizontal dots. Give that circle a click and watch as your options unfold in an expanded menu. It's like unrolling a map that points you in the right direction. In the expanded menu, you'll need to steer towards the phone numbers section. Imagine this as browsing through a phone book, only digital and a whole lot more modern. Under phone numbers, you'll see Manage. Hover over that, and then select Active Numbers. This is all located under what Twilio calls the Super Network section, which sounds a bit like entering Twilio's digital communications hub. Upon clicking Active Numbers, you'll find yourself on a page dedicated to phone numbers that are currently assigned to your account. Think of this as your personal directory of Twilio numbers. Here, each phone number will be displayed along with its capabilities like SMS, voice, MMS, and more. You'll also be able to see and configure related webhooks and additional settings for each number. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated to the point where you can view and manage your Twilio phone numbers. This setup allows you to efficiently assign phone numbers to projects, adjust their settings, and monitor their capabilities all from one handy location. By following these steps, you're well on your way to becoming proficient in managing your Twilio communications efficiently. Remember, each step you take in the Twilio console is a step towards unlocking the full potential of your communication projects. So take your time to explore and familiarize yourself with the settings at your disposal. Happy Twilio exploring, and I hope you're feeling more connected already.